Hey everyone, if an OnlyOffice document is not loading, gets stuck on a loading screen, or refuses to open, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help get your files working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can prevent documents from loading properly, especially in cloud-based workspaces. Next, close the document and try opening it again. Yeah, temporary glitches can sometimes stop files from loading. Open a different file to see if the problem affects only one document. I mean, the original file may be corrupted. If you're using OnlyOffice in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. So, corrupted browser data can interfere with document loading. Some browser extensions can block scripts needed by OnlyOffice. Temporarily disabling them can help. Make sure you have permission to access the document. Yeah, restricted access settings can prevent files from opening. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often fix file compatibility and loading issues. If you're connected through a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. I mean, network routing issues can sometimes interrupt document loading. If documents still won't load, reinstall OnlyOffice. So, a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. If you're using a cloud workspace, there may be a temporary server issue. Yeah, waiting a few minutes and trying again may solve the problem. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for further help. They may be able to identify file-specific or account-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice document not loading problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.